Oh, stop the car! Okay, done. Let's go, let's go. Nani? Stop! Move! I'm here, in here. Oh no, I missed my bus. Unbelievable. Let's go. Chase him.
Oh my God! Mommy, save me!
What the heck is going on? Oh no, I can't get out of here. Help me! Something's wrong. What is wrong with him? I'll check it out. Are you okay in the car? Please help us get out of here. Help me. Calm down. Don't worry. I'll call for help. Hello, bro. Let's help them together. Wait a minute. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. I need support.
Sir, yes, sir. Boy.
Arrive. Okay, let's go. It's very dangerous ahead. Let's get started. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. When driving, you should not talk to others. Let's practice together. Bye-bye. Hey, be careful, bro. Perfect. We succeeded. It's great.